What is up, y'all? I gotta inform y'all, it stormed here last night, dumped about 2 inches of rain. We was only looking for a ½ inch. Everybody left all their shit setting up on the shoreline, and we all got fucked. All of our pumps got submerged. But the claim we're on, the fucking guys are so awesome. By the time everybody got here this morning, they had done fixed every single pump, drained every single fluid on every single pump. These guys are awesome. There's one of them right there. You the one to fix all the pumps, right?
Yeah, help them.
Hell yeah. This is a badass claim. Hell yeah. Hell yeah. Now it's Bobby Hodges. Y'all ain't gonna believe how I got my dredge set up. Forgot my pontoons, y'all know that. Yep, dredging underneath this bitch. Got a 20-foot intake hose. Gotta prime that bitch right now. Where the fuck did it go? Did it. There was a small tributary already there. I decided just to set my shit up right on top of it. Right underneath it. Ain't a lot of space under here, but did a cleanup at 120 colors. My buddy was running over there. Bobby got a picker in about 20 minutes. But yeah, I'm pretty much the next couple days. This is a small little tributary feeder creek. And by tomorrow, I'll connect these pools to this small feeder creek. And that's what we're doing, y'all. Getting that gold. I ain't got no gold to show y'all right now. Next cleanup, I got my phone back here, so that's when I'll show y'all some of that yellow bellow. Mellow, mellow, yellow. You know what it is, man. Peace. I'm out.